Okay, I time traveled to a Viking town in the year 900. Welcome to Hedby. It smells like wet sheep, and I just woke up next to a goat. His name is Bjorn. I asked. These guys are swinging real axes at 9 in the morning. That's their warm-up. I waved. He waved back with the axe. Cool, cool, cool. There's a feast tonight. Apparently you can't put the drinking horn down until it's empty. I'll keep you posted. Alright, that's enough mead for me. I think it's time to head back. Alright, yo, we are back at the crib, and if you guys want to know exactly how to make a video like that, then I will post a complete step-by-step breakdown as long as this video gets enough positive comments and enough subscribers, because your boy is trying to hit 5k by the middle of this year. But for now, guys, I will leave a link to the platform that I used in the description and a pinned comment so you guys can check it out yourself.